Nutrition facts and tips about teenagers. Teenage is a crucial stage of life that every person goes through. Some people approach this time of their lives with enthusiasm and optimism, while others endure numerous problems and challenges. This depends on the environment in which these young adults' lives, as well as their parents, friends, living condition, education, and a variety of factors. Keep watching to learn some of the facts and tips about teenagers. Some teenagers try to reduce weight by eating very little, eliminating entire food groups such as carbohydrates. This weight loss method may be harmful to your health since they may deprive your body essential nutrients. In fact, poor dieting makes it more difficult to lose weight since it can lead to a loop of eating too little than overeating because you are hungry. According to NEAT 2016, unhealthy dieting can have an impact on your mood and growth. All age groups are encouraged to eat 5 pieces of fruits and vegetables every day. According to NeDirect, eating 5 portions of fruits and vegetables per day can help prevent heart disease and certain types of cancer. Fruits and vegetables are low in fat and high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. According to Teens Health, there's a direct link between stress and weight gain for many people. When they are anxious, they turn food for comfort. When we're stressed, we're more likely to eat junk foods rather than nutritious foods. As a result, the calories can soon mount up. These extra calories can add up to weight growth over time. People who are overweight are more likely to have health concerns such as high cholesterol and diabetes. When you're feeling worried or restless, reach for an apple, a handful of almonds, or a small bowl of light popcorn instead of chocolate ice cream. Exercising is a good alternative stress reliever. According to Family Doctor, here are the things that teenagers should always remember. Exercise regularly. Teens should be physically active at least 60 minutes of every day. Maintain a balanced diet. Healthy nutrition is crucial to your development and growth. Fruits and vegetables, healthy grains, a range of protein meals, and low-fat dairy products should always be included in your diet. Make sure you get enough rest. According to scientific evidence, many teenagers do not get enough sleep. Teenagers require 8 to 10 hours of sleep. They require more sleep since their bodies and minds are rapidly developing. Sleeps help you fuel your brain and your body. Maintain a healthy body mass index. Obese children and teenagers are more prone to develop obesity as adults. They are also more likely to develop other chronic conditions such as depression and to be bullied. You go through a lot of changes as a teenager. Your body is the verge of maturing into an adult size. You're probably growing more independent and making more decisions as a result of these developments. But your health is one of the most important decisions you will make. Healthy habits such as eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly can help you feel better, look better, and perform better at school, work, or at sport. And when you get older, they may also help you avoid problems including diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, osteoporosis, stroke, and other more. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.